inside of me. You better watch out, keep you ignited. Be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets gone through a big pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop.
We're out here for Brisbane roll racing, round 3 tonight. It did rain, so it is really, really quiet tonight, but we thought we'd still come out anyway and just film some of the cars that are here tonight. Still looks like there's some cool cars here as well, but I think down the other end where they usually are lots, like down in the other pits, it looks pretty empty, but we'll see. We'll go for a walk and have a look. We have an RX-7 out here. I don't think I've seen this one here before. I noticed it's got brides in it, and you know what's even better? It's got a microtech in it. I noticed down on the seat over there, it's got a little LT something S in there, and I know that Sally used to run an LT 10S or an LT something S, I don't know. So that's really, really cool because a lot of people do swap to HALTECH and everything like that, so it's really, really cool still seeing this run a microtech. And I also love that the microtechs on the little hand controller, they still have like a little, like, it's got like an old RGB like computer port thing. I just think it's so nostalgic and really cool. I really like these. This is actually really, really cool. And it's got the B&N shifter as well. I know this because one's a B's car and he swears by them. RX3, 4, I don't know what. They all look the same, these RX3s and 4s, but it's got a little 3-rotor in it. I love rotaries. They sound so good. But you know what I know? This actually has like flames on it, but it's like still yellow, so it's really hard to notice actually. But I actually really like it because it's so subtle, but it's still there. It looks really, really cool. And it's got some earbuds on it. Good. Probably an RX4. It looks a little different to that one. Let's see. No, it's an RX3. Maybe that one's a 2 then. Oh, it says it on the side. I should have read it. Maybe that one's a 2. But can you see from here, the flames are so subtle. It's giving sex spec. And this is Sammy's kid's car. I'm so sorry. I keep forgetting his name. He won last time, so that's really, really cool. But yeah, RB26. I really like the red in the black bay. It looks really, really good. Yeah. What else can you say? It's a super quick, super tough R32. And I just think it's also like a really cool flex that it's got P plates on it, which is really cool. I think I just found quite possibly the coolest thing I've seen in 2026. This has to be the coolest thing I've seen. It's got the number plate slam. I can actually understand this one. Slam. That's really cool. Not only that, it has some tiny, small little, what are they, bulk racing wheels. And I love the little pink stripe around the wheel. But this is the most coolest thing about this. It's a Mirage, by the way. This like 2000s like decal on the side. This 2000s decal. It's really, and the color's like a minty, bluey green. And it's got tinted windows. You know, just something a bit different. So this is really freaking cool. I found this really cool 33. What do you guys reckon if I did this to Sally? Like, hear me out. Like, come over here. Have a good look at it. Like, have a good look. What do you think? I like it. It kind of like, it's a nice wing, like for the shape, considering my body kit's so square. I think, should we try fab up something like that and just see how it looks before we actually put it on? I think it looks really cool. And aside from that, this 33 looks really, really cool. I like the number plate fry rice. That's cool. It's tough. Come on, look.
5 minutes.
I just noticed it's got dual calipers.
It's a good opportunity while we're a little bit lighter on numbers.
He must drift it. I've never seen it before, and it's got Japanese earbuds on it. No, it's really cool. I really like it, and I like the color too. The color's something unique. Oh, he's got a hydro, and he does. He must drift it. But no, this is really, really cool. I like this. Look, this is that F30 from last night. It's just eavesdropping, and apparently it used to be a drift car. So this is really cool. It's got a 2J in it with the purple belt as well, which is really, really cool. And it's got a swirl pot here as well. Yeah, this is really, really cool. I love this. Oh, and he's got his cooler at the front. And he opted for the Koya rad, which was what I was choosing between the Koya rad or the Phoenix rad. So this is cool. I found this really cool Commodore, but I think the owner's standing there and I'm too scared to go over, so I'll just get some cinematics for you guys. I really love Commodores and this thing is super hot.
Well, a hole down the front. So all three dollars national tour race are Shane's insurance. 300 at the
Hot dogs. This is one of the things you can get at the Queensland Raceway cafeteria with cheese and onion. So yeah. This is round 1 of eliminations. There is 3 races total tonight for the eliminations in round 1. They're doing the all-wheel drive and two-wheel drive class again, so that was just the first run of the all-wheel drive class. Class, and then they had a grudge match at the end there with the 32 and the Lambo, and now we're moving on to the two-wheel drive eliminations. There's like 6 or so eliminations in this one, not too many. But I think now over the mic they said they're going to have a grudge race or a race between the winner of the all-wheel drive class and a winner of the two-wheel drive class. That is the end of roll racing round 3. It was a little bit quieter than usual, well, a lot quieter than usual, but there were still some really awesome cars out here and some really, really close, really cool races. Don't forget to mark in your calendars the Queensland Drift MATSURI 27 to 28 or 28 to 29, I can't remember. Sometime, it's basically in a week and a half, 2 weeks from now, so don't forget to lock that in. They have fireworks, gel blasters, a Miss MATSURI comp, an air show, rotaries, buggies, drift ride-alongs, drift bus. So there's so many cool things. Bring the whole family and have a fun day out. And I'll see you guys there.